Hey guys, as you can see here in this project, we've used a couple of uplights. Then we do have some nice feature trees all over the property. We've got some where they're really feature tree fruits. We actually got 2 or 3 lights on them, but pretty simple. I mean, these are definitely the most popular, what you see all the time. The biggest mistake I see a lot of people doing is a lot of times they'll put them too close to the tree and it just creates this big hot spot. If you're trying to light the trunk, you want to have it about 12 to 18 inches back to do that. If it's a tree where you got lots of nice foliage and stuff that you want to highlight, that might be where you got to use 1 or 2 lights and move them further back from the tree and have them shine up in the foliage more. One thing I like to do if it's a bigger tree like that, I'll actually have 1 light that'll light up the stem like this, and then maybe 1 or 2 lights on the side that will just catch the, the canopy of that tree to really give it some nice lights. Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. I'm really excited about our new try it before you buy it offer. So many of you guys have been asking what's the difference between a premium quality landscape light and all the crap that you're gonna find online. Well, now you get a chance to feel it. You can go on our website for a limited time and you can order 1 FX Luminaire LED uplight that's found in most of our premium quality kits. We're gonna send it to you for free shipping. You buy it at a discounted rate and keep it for 14 days. And if you don't love it, you send it back to us and you get a full refund. If you do, you keep it and you get it at that discounted rate. And a little trick, you can even go around your property and go see how it's gonna look before you decide to buy an entire kit. Simply by taking a 9-volt battery, taking the 2 wires from your fixture, attaching them to the terminals, and then you can actually go start lighting some stuff up and see how that's gonna look and see how this lights feel. So if you have any questions, email me at cal@lightingdoctor.ca.